SupremCoast.com.
Hi everyone. I think all of you must have came to know the latest thing that Supreme Court opposed to postpone the NEET and mains. Okay. So the bill was PAL was registered to postpone the both NEET and mains, but it was refused by the Supreme Court by keeping in mind the time we are going to get after getting admission into the IITs and medical colleges. They felt that it is very difficult to complete the syllabus and that will be affecting your education of your next year. Okay, so we cannot do anything as of now, and many students are in panic. So don't press panic button, and Witchcam is here with you to help you in every step. We are ready for any panic situation. So any kind of help from the Witchcam, we are ready to help you out. So in this panic situation, what you must do is to just control yourself and spend the time very preciously. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and press bell icon to get any type of support in education field. Here we are here to help you out. Okay, so the as per the NTA, it is expected that it is going to release the admit card. Okay, so in that regard only I am here to help you out. So I will be planning everything well in advance so that you don't have any problem in near future also. Okay, so in this panic you should not have any hurdle from the admit card side. So I will be guiding you to how to download the admit card. Okay, so I will be explaining in the six steps, easy steps, so that you will not be having any problem in that. Okay, so let's see what is the scenario. NTA is expected to announce the release date of joint JEE in and admit card in couple of days. Mostly I am expecting this by the 17th. Okay, that means by tomorrow or maximum by day after tomorrow it is going to release. As you are aware that September 1 to 6 it is going to conduct the examination, and now the chances of further postpone is almost approaching to zero, tending to zero. Okay, but there is no official announcement that is there. Okay, according to information brochure, as per the NTA, when you have filled the application form for JEE mains, you must not have, you may not have observed. Okay, because that time your mood will be something different. But according to me, that that brochure says that 15 days before the commencement, 15 days before the commencement of examination, they are going to release the admit card. Okay, so that means 1st September, so maximum 17th I am anticipating that official website. Don't go to anywhere else. Okay, there are only two things you should depend upon. First one is Witchcam, second one is JE mains nta.ac.in. Kindly copy and paste this. Because there are many other website will lure you to give you the further details. Further unnecessary information will be leaked to the another sites. Okay, so for all that careful results and good information in the right time, so better to rely on the Witchcam. So which if you are new to this subscriber, I hope already you have subscribed first visit only, and if not subscribed till now, subscribe and press bell icon and inform to your friends about this. Okay, so that you will be doing help, and a lot of plans I am doing, so that in a couple of days, in this maximum 12 to 13 days are left over, in this 13 to 14 days how to cope up, I will be giving you instructions which is not only useful for chemistry but also for scoring good marks in all other subject also, so that I will motivate you and I will guide you in your difficult situation. Okay, so 15 days before, dates of downloading admit card indicating roll number and center of examination. Okay, so not only that, from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. one shift, and 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. is the evening shift. These are the timings, and dates will be from 1 to 6. Okay, so here are the some steps. Don't be in panic, don't be in hurry. Okay, so everything will be smooth and fine, and I hope all of you will join in a esteemed IITs with a good branch. Okay, so first what you will do, you will copy and paste this website jeemain.nta.nic.in. There are similar appearing websites, don't go for them. In home page, click JEE Mains admit card link. What you will do? Click JEE Mains admit card link. A new page will appear on the display screen. When you first visit that site and go to the home page, click on the JEE Main admit card link. Then a new page will appear on the display screen. Okay. So then what you have to do? Then what you have to do? Registration number, enter your registration number and password. It will ask you for your password and submit. Okay, JEE Mains admit card will appear onto your display screen. Immediately download it and take a printout it. If possible, take 2 to 3 printouts for future reference. And this time admit card is going to have valuable information, like they have to maintain social distancing. So for that, special instructions may be expected. So this time admit card is very 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 important for you. Go through the instructions in the admit card carefully and prepare accordingly. I hope best wishes from your Vijchem channel, so that your future should be bright and stable. See you, bye bye. Give a like to this video and share it to your near friends who are waiting for the admit card. It is going to be helpful. We will be here to inform you as soon as the admit card are released. You will get a notification directly into your box, and I will guide you how to download and set your future bright. Bye, see you.